Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Brawl Stars developer build. I must clarify upfront that direct public access to a developer build is not possible. These specialized versions are strictly for internal testing and development purposes, meaning they are held by Supercell itself. It's crucial to understand that such builds are highly restricted, ensuring game integrity and managing unreleased content. This exclusivity protects both the game's ongoing development and its future releases. A developer build functions as a test bed for all upcoming content, including new brawlers, game modes, and significant balance adjustments. It allows developers to rigorously test every aspect, from server stability to character abilities, in a controlled environment. Importantly, these builds are not polished. They frequently contain glitches and placeholder assets, making them unsuitable for typical gameplay. This raw state is essential for thorough internal quality assurance. The most direct and consistent method to gain access to a Brawl Stars developer build is through employment at Supercell, specifically within the game development team. Beyond internal staff, a select group of official content creators might occasionally receive limited, supervised access for specific testing or preview purposes. These creators are carefully chosen and must adhere to rigorous non-disclosure agreements, preventing leaks and ensuring responsible handling of unreleased game information. These are the two primary avenues for access. For content creators hoping to gain developer build access, Supercell's official creator programs are the only path. These programs demand creators demonstrate a significant and engaged viewership, often numbering in the hundreds of thousands of subscribers, alongside a history of producing excellent Brawl Stars-related content. The application process is incredibly selective, requiring creators to prove their influence and trustworthiness. Even if accepted, any access is temporary, strictly controlled, and always under a binding agreement to protect unreleased game features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.